be doing today, but I know I need to grab a coffee at Starbucks to start the day off and go to the bank. So I haven't done a vlog in a while, so I just thought I would bring you guys along and make one because I need to make videos for YouTube. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the day with me. Maybe a video won't be so long today. I think my days are boring majority of the time, so yeah, let's go. Well, I wasn't recording when I got it, but ISO is freaking all right. Well, you can't see it because the sun's beaming on it, so let's put it in the shade. Oh, she didn't even top it right. What the hell? I'm about to explode all over the seat. So we got a nitro cold brew right here, and then we got the coveted banana nut bread. I love this. This thing is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, so we're back in my room. I got one package. Well, I got two packages to unbox. I have this one right here. That's a chair. I don't know why it has a hole in it. It came like that from shipping. Shipping was probably garbage, but I finally got a nice computer chair, unlike this one that I'm sitting on. I've had this one, has been hurting my back for a really long time, so I'm gonna build that. It's probably gonna take me like an hour and a half, and then I'll set it up and I'll unbag or unbox, whatever you want to call it, the item that I got. I've had this for a really long time. I just have been forgetting to I've just been forgetting to open it and review it, so I'm going to be doing that after I build this chair. So yeah, let's go straight and do that now. Alright guys, we finally built this chair. It's a lot more comfortable than my last one. The last one was giving me a lot of back problems, so I just bought this one. But we're here to unbag this package. I've had this for about 3 weeks now. I did have to buy this on resale because I missed out, as always, because these bots stay eating up Supreme. So let's just get straight into this because I've been meaning and been really excited to see this in person. Let's hope I don't rip the actual bag itself. The item. No, we're good. Ah! Damn, we put a lot of tape on this. There we go. Oof. Just look at that right there. Man, this is, y'all see that? The North Face Supreme. This is one of the, this is probably one of the best jackets they've made in a, hold on, let me zoom out a little bit. This is probably one of the best jackets they made in a while. This thing just, this color is just absolutely insane, man. Like, just look at that. Like, this all pink, like, splatter colorway. Has a bunch of pockets. Like, it has an abundance of pockets. Like, it's ridiculous how many pockets it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if you want to count these, well, 6, 7. This just has so many pockets in the front. It's so crazy. And then on the back you have Supreme right there with another pocket on the back. I don't know what you're gonna be storing on your back, but this is absolutely insane. We have the classics North Face and Supreme right there. This is, we have a little, I guess you could use this as a hanger right there, because that's kind of dope. You have Supreme, have Supreme right there on the head, and then on the inside it has Supreme North Face printed inside right here on the head. You won't be able to see it, but this is absolutely insane. And since it's manufactured by the North Face, of course, like I always say, it is amazing quality. But man, this is absolutely insane. And it's, so on the inside right here you have like this mesh liner right here. I guess so it won't be so hot. For really, this won't keep you warm. This is kind of more for like rain, like, well, light rain and like, you know, light stuff for real. But it won't keep you that warm. But you have this liner right here. North Face Supreme right there as always. This is just an absolutely dope jacket. Like I said, I paid around $600 for this. That's kind of a really good price, considering over time this jacket's gonna go up, like probably somewhere around the fall and winter. This is gonna go up a lot, or within, you know, always holding these jackets for a year or more, you're definitely gonna see your money back like doubled. Like, this is gonna pay for itself. So I'll probably end up buying a couple more or one more. I really want one for the personal, so I'll probably end up doing that. But this one is gonna be for resale eventually. So if you guys do want to follow my resale page right here at Preem Raptor, and then my personal page on this side, you can go ahead and do that, because I have a bunch of Supreme and a bunch of items that I don't have to resell, but I want to resell, so I'm going to be putting those up for raffles and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys maybe want to buy this or win this, go ahead and follow those right there. But that's gonna be it for today. This video was a little weird. It was kind of a combination of a vlog and an unboxing type. It was just, this video was all over the place. I changed like 3 times in this entire video. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment if you haven't already, subscribe to see more videos like this, more unboxings, vlogs, all types of mess, because this life is crazy. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.